Technology is shaping our future, and with the right education, you can too. The key is the computer science and software engineering know-how to make it all happen. Every industry, healthcare, education, finance, entertainment, and more, runs on systems built by engineers, creatives, and problem solvers. It's not just about programming software, it's about possibility. At DigiPen, you don't wait to get started. You dive right in, learning advanced programming languages like C and C++ from day one, the languages behind speed, control, and real-world performance. You'll build leaner, smarter, sharper. No fluff, just power. Build worlds from the ground up, develop your own engines, simulations, and full-scale virtual environments, pushing software and simulations until they become something bigger, until they reshape our reality. And along the way, you'll master more than syntax. You'll lead, collaborate, solve the unsolvable, and turn bold ideas into working realities, with the tools to make it happen at your fingertips. Welcome to DigiPen. What will you create?